Now that you've written and designed your slides, you're ready to give your presentation. In this video, you'll add notes to your slides and preview how your presentation will look to an audience. First, add speaker notes. These are short messages you can refer to during your presentation. They'll help you remember important things you should say or do as you present a particular slide. To see how your presentation will look to an audience, use Present View. This allows you to preview the presentation as though you're an audience member and see if there's anything you'd like to change. To display your slides on a computer screen, use the full screen option in Present View. If you're showing your presentation on a large screen and are viewing it yourself on a computer or device, you can view the speaker notes on your screen as you give your presentation. Your audience will see your slides on the larger screen. Exit Present View to make the final edits to your slides. If you're doing this activity in a class, partner with a classmate and present your slides to each other. Ask questions and give each other feedback. Using slides is a great way to communicate information about your work. Now, it's your turn. Add speaker notes to your slides, preview your slides in present mode, and present your slides to a classmate.